Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add a payment method to Google Play, billing setup step by step clearly. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. Make sure you are connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the Play Store. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu. Tap Payment Methods to view your current billing options. If you are asked, confirm your Google account and make sure it is the correct one. Tap Add a Payment Method to start the setup. Choose the option that matches your country, such as credit or debit card, PayPal, or carrier billing. If you select credit or debit card, carefully enter the card number. Enter the expiration date exactly as shown on your card. Type the CVC security code from the back of your card. Fill in the name on the card using the same spelling as your bank records. Add the billing address if Google requests it for verification. Double-check all details to avoid payment failures later. Tap Save to store the card in your Google Play account. If you select PayPal, tap PayPal and then tap Continue. Sign in to your PayPal account when the secure login page opens. Approve the connection so Google Play can use PayPal for purchases. Return to the Play Store and confirm PayPal appears under Payment Methods. If you select carrier billing, choose Use mobile billing if it is available. Read the carrier terms and confirm you want to enable billing through your mobile operator. Complete any SMS or PIN verification your carrier requests. Go back to Payment Methods to ensure the new method is listed. Tap the method you added to check if it is set as the default for purchases. If needed, tap Set as Default to make it your primary payment method. To test, open a paid app or an in-app purchase screen and check the payment method shown at checkout. If you see an error, update the Play Store app and try again from Payment Methods. For extra security, keep your screen lock enabled and do not share verification codes with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.